just got dropped off by Tian, the DD taxi driver. Didn't take me the whole direction I was going in because the traffic's so bad. So I'm going to go and have a look at some of these touristy things down here. Very pretty indeed. It's pretty excitable here. It's early evening, just barely after sunset. There are droves of flag people down here. I suppose it's the Piccadilly Circus, Chongqing. Admittedly, this is a pretty impressive sight. This bridge and the other buildings on the other side of the riverbank is quite exciting, really. You certainly wouldn't want to be paying the electricity bill. Okay. This is what you might call breach view up here. The traffic's mental, and it's all very chaotic. It's all very chaotic, but in a good way. We've reached the top of the stairs. It's absolutely rammed. We're going to get a view in a minute. Wow. The only reason I'm crossing the road now is because it's just so mental with these tour people down here. If you like things that are brightly lit, you're going to love this place. All these horrible tinny voices you can hear are from little loudspeakers that the tour people carry with them. to announce their wares. And of course they each have to go louder than the next one. I think I might have to restart my Instagram account. Apparently you can dress up as a you can dress in the outfit and then get a professional guy to come and take your picture. It seems to be all the rage. Everybody's at it now. You can be a queen for a day, no problem. You just rent. You just rent the outfit and get your picture taken. Oh my God. Look at the Chongqing. All good stuff. This city is built on gorges and high ground. So wherever you go, it's mostly uphill or downhill. It's virtually no flat bits anywhere. Only on the riverbank probably. It's absolutely nuts. If you like stuff a little bit loud and shiny, this is the place to come. Geez, they're all at it here. Come on. There's a full-on photographic studio here with this yellow stuff in the background. Come on! I can't help thinking this is where Instagram got invented. This is definitely the place where Instagram got invented, surely. Raffles Hotel. This is known as the Chongqing night market area. About 7:30 at night. And really, I suppose I should try and find something to eat. Well, this is an interesting sort of feeding situation. There's a guy here on my right with rabbit, hand-torn rabbit for sale. Been a rabbit for a long time. It would appear that I'm now going to get a meal of chicken. Say go big or go home. Jeez. They don't do stuff by halves around this neck of the woods. I believe this place is Times Square, but the Google Maps are struggling to actually find out where we are at the minute. If modern architecture and bright lights are your thing, you're going to love coming to downtown Chongqing.